Let me tell you something that most trading influencers won't admit. Most traders lose money. Not a few, not half. Almost 90% of people who try trading blow their accounts. I know it sounds harsh, but it's reality. Now, here's the thing, people don't lose because the markets are impossible. People lose because of the way they approach trading. Wrong mindset, greed, no education, zero discipline. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact reasons most traders lose and the real steps you can take so you don't become part of that sad statistic. If you stick with me until the end, I'll also show you how to practice trading safely with platforms like Olymp Trade so you build skill before risking serious money. Let's get into it. Number one reason people fail, they treat trading like a hustle, like it's some kind of quick cash ATM. They see someone online posting screenshots of huge profits, flashy cars, vacations, and they think, bro, I just need to open an account and I'll be rich in a week. But here's the reality, that mindset is toxic. Trading is not a hustle, it's a profession. It's like medicine, engineering, or law. You don't wake up one morning and decide to be a doctor. You study, you practice, you fail, you learn, and then you build mastery. And the truth is, when you treat trading like a shortcut, the market humbles you. You get addicted to quick wins, and those wins make you greedy. Then one loss wipes everything out. It's not that the market scammed you, it's that your mindset scammed you. Here's another harsh truth. Most traders don't actually know what they're doing. Ask a beginner, what's a candlestick telling you? They don't know. What's the impact of interest rate hikes? Silence. How do you manage risk on $100 account? No clue. Instead, they're in Telegram groups copying signals from strangers. They're buying $10 ebooks promising secret strategies. They're literally gambling with real money blindfolded. The market is like football. If you don't even know the rules, how can you expect to score goals? The truth is, the market punishes ignorance, and it does it fast. That's why, if you're serious, you've got to learn the basics. Take a structured approach, don't skip steps, and stop chasing shortcuts. This one right here kills more accounts than anything else, over leveraging. Picture this, you've got $100 account, but instead of trading responsibly, you open positions as if you're trading $10,000. It feels exciting because when the market moves your way, your profits look massive. But the second it moves against you, your account is gone. One bad move and boom, margin call, greed disguised as ambition. That's what overleveraging really is. Professional traders, they're not asking how much can I make today. They're asking how much can I afford to lose and still play tomorrow. If you don't respect leverage, leverage will destroy you. It's as simple as that. Another big reason most traders fail, they don't manage risk. I can't tell you how many times I've seen beginners trading without a stop loss. They're like, it's okay, I'll just wait, the market will come back. Guess what? Sometimes it doesn't. And while you're waiting, your account is bleeding. Risk management is not optional, it's the foundation. You set a stop loss, you risk a fixed percentage per trade, you live to fight another day. Because here's the thing, in trading, it's not about winning every single trade. It's about protecting your capital so you can keep trading long enough for your edge to play out. No stop loss, well off no account. Let's talk about emotions, because this is the silent killer of traders. Fear makes you close winning trades too early. You see a little green and you're like, I don't want to lose it, let me cash out. Meanwhile, you cut your profits short. Greed makes you hold on to losing trades for too long. You're like, it has to turn around, right? But the market doesn't care about your feelings. And the worst one, revenge trading. You take a loss and suddenly you're like, I'll double my next trade, make it back right now. That's a recipe for disaster. The market doesn't care about your emotions. Successful traders aren't emotionless robots, but they follow rules. They have discipline, they don't let feelings drive decisions, and that's why they win long term. Let me ask you something. Do you keep a trading journal? Most people don't. They just take trades, win or lose, then move on. But here's the thing, without a journal, you don't learn. A journal tells you what's working, what's failing, where you keep making the same mistakes. Losers blame the broker, blame the news, blame the market. Winners track their performance, reflect, and adapt. If you're not journaling, you're not improving, you're just gambling. Okay, so we've seen why most people fail. But here's the good news, you don't have to. Here's the roadmap. Fix your mindset. Trading is a skill, not a hustle. Learn the basics, understand the game before you play it. Control leverage, risk small, grow steady. Always manage risk, use stop losses, protect your money, master your emotions. Don't chase losses, don't trade on hope. Keep a journal, turn mistakes into lessons. And here's the cheat code, start small or start on a demo account. Platforms like Olymp Trade are perfect for this. You can practice under real conditions, test your strategies, and build confidence without blowing your life savings. That's how you build skill safely. So here's the harsh truth again, the market doesn't care about your dreams, your problems, or your emotions. It only rewards skill, patience, and discipline. That's why most traders lose. But if you take this seriously, if you treat it like a profession, learn, manage risk, and control your emotions, you can join the small percentage who actually succeed. If this video helped open your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS trading content, and drop a comment below. What's the biggest mistake you've made in trading so far? And if you want to start practicing safely, check the link in the description. Olymp Trade is there. Use it to test your skills, learn the ropes, and protect your money. Remember, don't just trade, trade smart.